Tēnā koutou e te iwi. Mihi ana kia koutou. Ka mātaki tātou. Tēnei kimu kei wainga nui i a Canterbury Rawa ko o tākou. Murera mihi ana kia koutou I hono mai. Ko I tēnei reo e pāho atu kia koutou. Ko Ethan Smith tōku ingoa, he uri no te tai tokerau. He tangata ngākau nui ana ki tēnei hākinakina a te poi tūkohu. Nō reira, ka kōrero au I ngā ingoa o ngā kaitākaro I roto I ēnei tima. I will read out the names of our players here today. That was a beautiful basket, by the way, by a little hook shot overhand. That was by the number 10 there from the Canterbury team. And that was Hana Toli. So we have Otago Canterbury. We'll go through the Canterbury team name first. Names. We have Anika Shaw, number 4. Number 5. Oh, hang on. Let's just go back to the action for a moment. Outside 3-pointer te kuruwhiwhi toru. Ngā kari taka te pōro ki roto I te tūkohu. And coming away with his number 7 there. Rafferty Powell. And she swings it to Ophelia Powell. The sisters doing the mahi. I hope they're sisters. They certainly look to be. And that is a beautiful 3-point shot there. Kwa Whiwhi Iaia. And as Canterbury goes 7-0 at the moment. Whitu ki te kore. And it's a high lob to try and get it over the defensive arms, but not finding its intended target. And with that foul on the ground, it'll take it to the sideline, no doubt. We'll go through that list again. Anika Shaw, number 4. Eva Jeffries, 5. Ophelia Powell, 6. Rafferty Powell, 7. Niam, number 8. Niam Chamberlain, number 8. Sarah Buckley, 9. Hannah Tolley, 10. Ava Jones, 11. Harper McDonald, 13, Amelia Ainley, 14, and Yasmin Larry, number 15. Coach is Dave Ermerins. Assistant, Karereatua Williams. And the manager, Liz Wrighton. And a little bit of soccer skills there as the ball gets cleared back. She's going to go straight to the basket. Gives a little fake pass. And with that, the timeout is called, and fair enough too, because 11-0 run is a pretty hefty start for the girls from Canterbury, and they're going to want to have a bit of a corridor together and reconfigure their defensive strategy. Otago. And looking at the Otago team, we have number 1, Izzy Kerr, number 2, Maddie Kerr, 3, Freya Roberts, 4, Ruby Fox, Eva Tonasia is 5, Emily Coney is 6, Shanti Kara, 7, Kiana Brown is 9, Hazel Mason, 10, and number 21 is Caitlin Ring, coached by Alf Aldridge, assistant coach Lane Sivright, and the manager Jodie Brown. At any time, whānau, if I have made a mistake in the correct pronunciation of any of those names, please feel free to reach out. You can find me on Instagram, Ethan Smith NZ. Send the correct pronunciation, and I will do my darndest to make sure I'm doing it correctly, because as we know in Te Ao Māori, the name carries a lot of mana, and if it's not being said as it should be, I don't want to be doing that. So, whakamohio mai, te rere ngā tika, te rere tika o ngā ingoa, and that's the inbound, and they've straight away put pressure onto that Otago side, bringing the ball forward. And as they swing it around the top of the key there, it's in the hands of the number 9, who is Kiana Brown. 3-point shot, goes up, unable to be pulled in this time. And that number 14, she's the tallest one out there from Canterbury, Amelia Ainley. She's trying to get herself into that pocket, And there's some feisty defense indeed coming from the number 1 from Otako, and that is it Izzy Kerr or Izzy Kerr? So their timeout was well called because they haven't conceded any more points. Kare I whiwhi e tahi atu piro ki te kapa no Waitara. Waitaha aroha mai. Te rohe o Waitaha, Canterbury. Fantastic hosts of the kapa haka last weekend down there. Fantastic time. Part of the crew down there. Capturing the kapa haka and sharing it with the motu. And a little step back as the young number 2, Maddie Kerr, works her way in and over the top of the big, tall tower. I didn't quite catch the number there, but it was a good effort. 7-on-7 this time. That is Shanti Kara. Hopefully it is Kara and not Kara. But as I said before, whakamohi o mai, let me know if it is. And as Shanti calls out for a second helper, there she is, Ruby Fox. Ball's in hand. She works her way into the paint. She's got a big, tall tower to shoot over. And as you saw there, her teammate just giving her a little bit of direction. Just keep your hands up. No need to reach. You've got that presence within the key. And see what we can do here. Hea te nekehanga. Here we go, to the outside. And she's going to work her way in. Looking for the bounce pass. No option there. As they come to the top of the key, setting the screen. She goes the opposite way and an open line to the bucket. E wātea na tērā ara ki aia no reira. Tere rawa tōra haerenga ki reira. And as we saw the players tip their fingers to say it was not I that touched that ball. But the Kaiwa Wild, the referee, says yes, it was you. And so look into that shutting down. Obviously there's the danger of playing that kind of play. Oh, little bounce pass, not able to find its intended target, and that was to the number 2, Maddie Kerr. And in the hands of Te Nama Wha. Number 7 now, Rafferty Powell with the free throw. Maite Pai Kuru Tautuku, and they share their ball around. They're looking to get it clear, and they have done just that. Little stutter step, no, not a stutter step, a jab. As she pulls back up for the 3, and that one drifting off. There must have been a tough breeze, and beautiful block. Rawe te āraiti a tērā wahine tā roro a rawatu. And I'm not sure about that one. Because the shot was taken. It was blocked. So I'm not sure why the clock wasn't reset. Anyhow, continuation. And in the hands of Ngā Wahine o Waitaha. in a tima o te Waipounamu. And there she is, this tall tower in the middle there, Amelia Ainley, and they look to continue that full court pressure on the defensive side. And they find the inside person, and it's a lovely release, but not quite on target. Kāre I tai atu ki te wāhi e hehe ana ia. O mid-range jumper finds herself wide open after losing her defender, and now the pressure comes on, and the referee says e hapa ana te tima o Waitaha. Nō reira, ka whāti te pōro ki ngā wahine. Kei raro I te kaumātuatanga o te rua tekau. Ai, tēnei wā ka tuki mihi atu ki Footlocker, kia whakaata Māori. Ngā kai tautoko I tēnei kaupapa. And beautiful movement of the ball there. And that is number toru, Freya Roberts there with the open look, and the finish that is needed most definitely. 18 points to 7. Kau MΑORI ki te whetu. And you might say to yourself, whetu, I've never heard that pronunciation. That is how we do it in the far north. It's not more of a F sound, it's a wh, hence the WH, like who or what. It is whenua or whetu. So there you go, there's your kupu for the day, learning a little bit about each region's dialectual differences. And you may well know, if you're from the South Island, that they have the NG is often sounded out as a K. So whakarongo would often be heard as whakaroko or mauka instead of maunga in the north. So these are the reasons why we bring you these sports, so we can give you these little tidbits of te reo Māori information, so you can perhaps plant a little seed of te reo Māori inside of each one of our viewers, and hoping that they can then love the language a little bit more, such as myself and our whānau, to uplift and continue the use of our te reo Māori language. Many of the kupu were created from this whenua. Obviously with some of these modern sports, there were no kupu, and so they looked to older examples to try and come up with these kupu. For instance, tūkohu, the name for basketball, basket being a type of net, a type of basket, sorry, a tūkohu. Hence the poi being like a ball, poi tūkohu being basketball. Nā, ka haere ki te pai tuku, te pai kuru tautuku. E kua tai mai ngā kai ārai ki ngā rārangi, kei te tahataha o te pākara. Kei roto I te ringa a te wahine a Freya Roberts. And ai, kua whiwhi ngā piro e rua, mai te pai kuru tautuku. And that full court pressure not coming in. Little hand off there. Te tuku atu. And she'll look ahead one-on-one. Is she going to have a go? No, she gives it to her mate who was at full pace. Te tere rawa, te oma, and they've just thrown that one away. And they'll be disappointed in themselves, no doubt, in handing over their ball so easily. There's that number 4 from Canterbury, Anika Shaw. And as she pushes it forward, maybe a little bit too much puha on the pass. And that one goes over Te Pai Pito. Pressure on the shot again. Some great transition basketball. Finishing off there by the number 7 from Otako, Shanti Kara. And working hard on defense. We have a new player into the team, Yasmin Larry, who works her way down with a little spin move. Draws in 2 players with the open player outside, and kua whiwhi te toru. Kua whiwhi te kuru tuatoru, toru ki aia, and inside feed with the over top. Open player, that is the number 7 again. This time not able to find her target. And tries to block, and just working her way in close and making it. Oh, great hustle from and beautiful shot there by Ava Jones. Fantastic. He kuru whiwhi toru kua tukuna ki aia. No reira, koira te whakamutunga o tēnei hauwha being the kora, kia utonu mai, a koe nei ka timata te hauwha tuarua. Kia mautonu mai e te whānau. Back in the action we go. Ball in hand with Waitaha, Canterbury. Woo-wee! What a start to the second quarter. Beautiful kuru whiwhi toru. And te nama Iwa. Kiana Brown there. Swings back to the top, looks for the open through. Not quite finding its mark, and into the hands of the number 11, Jones. Oh, lovely find and save there by the number 7, but unable to get it into the hands of her own players. She's going to get around that, and it was a lovely pick and roll. Doesn't roll in though. But she set a fantastic screen there, did the young number 15, Yasmin Larry there. And 16 points the difference currently. 29 plays 13. Rua te kauma iwa ki te kauma toru te tatauranga. And Yasmin taking the deep breath in and refocusing and centering herself. A very high arc on the release, but this time ngā atua o te poi tūkohu e katana I aia. And swinging back to the top for that three, open. A big gust of wind caught it again, drifting off to the left-hand side. She's looking for a screen on her, hence the big hand up. There's that screen. Two of them sag on the defender. And again, same move from Ava Jones. Put down the phones because Ava Jones is in the footy. And as she looks to penetrate through the middle, chucks it up with a bit of a high arc out of the right hand. That was number 3, Freya Roberts. Mai te kapa o Otakau. Ka tai mai e tahi atu kai tākaro ki roti te kemu no te tima o Waitaha. Oi atu, Karafiti Powell. And the release there, just a little long. Rafferty now with the ball. She has a little look. Hand off there. Tuku atu. Ka neke te poro. Ke wainga no. She's going to look to roll to the middle. No one on her. Jones, is it again? No, not this time. That wasn't her preferred position. She's hit the last two. That was a late pass. Oh, lovely work there. And that's jump ball. Good effort there. Nā wai atu. Ko Shanti Kara tēnā. Tāhai te poro o Rafferty Powell. He hūro ana etahi o ngā kapa. I nai nei, rua te kau, te tatauranga, te wehenga ka wainganui I tēnei tima. Lovely rebound there by Amelia Ainley. Just plucking it. You'd certainly want her on your fruit picking team if there was such a thing. No stilts necessary. And she looks for the pick and roll. Wonderful pass. Straight over the top of the Otago player and finds the open woman. Te wahine e wāteana, hand off. But they switch almost seamlessly, like they've played together for very, very long time together. The cohesion amongst the Canterbury team. Well-drilled team. And as that number 10, Hana Toli, unfortunately not able to complete the pass, and coming away with it is Ruby Fox, bringing that score down a little bit closer together now. And a tight tussle coming in there. And they've called a foul of some sort. And a wonderful drive to the bucket, but an equally wonderful block there. And subs coming in Some fresh lungs and legs. Maddie Kerr in there. Mai te kapa o tākau. Ka toro atu tōna ringa. And they look to that middle man just to do the mahi down the middle. Gets her own rebound. And she's got a good foot above the next lady next to her. So not even really needing to jump too much even. And to be able to overcome this Canterbury team, their outside shooting's probably going to be needing to be on today. And there it is. Great little rebound from Maddie Kerr, and sees herself in an open position and just goes for it. And her confidence pays off. Nobody shifts on the defense. And that was number 6. Ophelia, I think it was, Powell, with the open run to the basket. And the young lady, at least 3 foot shorter than that number 14, Amelia Ainley, still managed to get the rebound by some fantastic technical boxing out, getting her feet in the right position and not allowing Amelia an opportunity. But now we look to Ophelia, ball in hand, and she holds the dribble, gives to her sister, who then offloads again, and the screen comes in there. Does the big lady roll? There she does. There's no need, because Powell team up with the help of Ainley and come up with the goods. And then once again, too much pressure on the shot. E he rawe te arai, engari wā te ana ia I nai nei. Kei a Jones, te rā pakete anō. Kare au I te tino mōhi o he toru. And she looks out. And that one not dropping. Ainley with the rebound. Oh, some great tenacity there. David versus Goliath struggle there between those two. And Maddie Kerr says, there's no way I'm giving up. We've come too far not to go further. And that goes into the timeout. We'll take a quick break and we'll be back with more action. Aqua Nate. And back in the action. Oh, some great crossing over on the dribble. It was number 4 there, Annika Shaw. And beautiful bucket. And the lead is extending out further. Nō reira, e ahua a wanga wanga te tīma o tākau. And straight up the big tall timber. Steps up, but maybe a little bit of overreach. She just get a little bump there. Did the number 10, Hazel Mason, into the game. And finding herself open, the number 5. And that inner zone there is just too much height around. And I think that's a foul again. All right. So young Ainley might need to watch herself in the foul zone. We're in the second quarter. And a lovely free throw there by Eve Tonesia. Once again, lining up. And she gets boxed out beautifully by the number 8, Chamberlain. Beautiful ball movement. And bringing it down with great zest is the number 1 from Otako to the outside shooter. Just inside the 3-point line, and effort on effort shown there by both players from opposing teams. And the open shot there. No, she decides to drive it into the bucket. Everybody's putting their body on the line today. Number 8 there with the open shot, Chamberlain. Ainley coming down. There's fists flying left, right, and center. Ainley gets it away to the open player as she was doubled. And coming away with the bucket, I think it was Chamberlain that time, number 8. And as she feeds that ball back to the center, we just missed out on the action, unfortunately. And into the game comes Yasmin Larry, back filling in that space that Ainley fulfilled. Te nama te kau I naene, me te poro. Ka neke whakamua. Te kōtiro o te wahine o tākau. And tere rau atu tōna oma. E wā te ana, Jones. Engari, au ware ake. Aroha mai. Ko Chamberlain tēnā. And ka whai Waitaha I tētahi wāhi wā te ana. A lovely basket by, I think it was Rafferty Powell that time. Beautifully done. Just spots the gap, rolling off a bit of a screen. And the little handoff there, she goes at it with pace. And she drives away through the middle. Open shot from the outside. No, not quite finding its mark. So again, coming back with gusto and pace, number 13 now. Harper McDonald from Canterbury into the game. And that is Powell. Powell. And beautiful shot there by the number 4, Annika Shaw. Annika. And rolling off the screen, tries to go straight through the middle. Doesn't get the lucky roll, but she does get the foul. I do believe that's Freya Roberts. Mai te kapa o tākau. Ka hui a ngā wahine o Canterbury. Ko tai mai a Hana Toli. And beautiful movement around the court. Rafferty finding herself, and that is the number 13. 1 second left on the clock. Found themselves open with some beautiful ball movement there. McDonald unable to convert that passing prowess demonstrated there by the Canterbury team. Finds herself the open lady, Eve Tanasia. End of the quarter. Did she get the shot off in time? She did indeed, and that brings us to the end of the second quarter. Te hauwha tuarua e oti ana no reira. Kia wātea, kia wātea, kia wātea a te papa. A koe nei ka timata te hauwha tuarua. A te haurua tuarua. Aroha mai te whānau. Utonu mai.
That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Else just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Ka timata te hau whā toru o tēnei kewu. And 54 plays 22. Rima tekau mā whā ki te rua tekau mā rua. Long three there put up by the number 4, Shaw. She's a sure thing, that one, and I'm no doubt that the commentators have used that pun before. And this time in the hands of Kerr, and puts a little hook shot over her opponent. Oh, wonderful move there. Manages to evade detection with a little spin move. Oh, a little bit of chest up action from the number 7 there, Shanti Kara, trying to stop the flow. Almost a handoff there. This young lady's going to go straight to the basket, unable to find and connect with her teammate Powell. Freya Roberts now with the inbound. Me te tuku mai te paitaha. Koira te kupu Māori o te sideline, paitaha. And she has a look, swings around to the right again. That is number 9. She pops, doesn't drop though. That was Kiana Brown. And the rebounds come into position, but te kaiwa wau e aiki aia, ka neke o na waiwai, no reira. Ka tuku atu te poro ki Waitaha I tēnei wā. Powell to Shaw. Polly to Shaw. To Powell. And Powell making a difficult shot look easy. And the wraparound there, it's open 3 there. And she says her foot went over the outline, so rirohanga anō ki te tima no Waitaha. Oh, rawe te mahi a Ophelia Powell. Ka haere tō tika ki te pakete a kua whiwhi te hara. Nō reira, tāpiri atu tētahi atu piro. Kua tai mai tētahi atu kai tākaro hou ki runga I te papa tākaro. Ko Yasmin Larry. Powell now. Ai, tāpiri hia. Piro anō. Pai te neke a Kerr, Maddie Kerr that is. And she tries to work her way underneath. That one just popping out. Seemingly an easy shot, but never easy when you've got a big, tall wahine in front of you that's trying to stop you from getting there. They all step back and wonder what to do. She's trying to do the work down the bottom. Gets a hand put to her, and the call is travel. It was Larry. Kerr here, Roberts, sorry. Roberts to Mason. Mason, aroha mai. Oh, au kati a tērā kuru. Au kati a Larry, I aia. And rebounds go down to Wahine o Tāko. Bounce passes on, works her way in, and on the way there, gets a little touch. So she will take a couple of shots from the Pai Kuru Tautuku free throw line. Nā, ka whakātu mai ona mati e rua. 2 fingers shown there, which is telling us there's 2 shots to come. They're asking a question. First one goes astray. And that one drops this time. Oh, bit of pressure on the pass there. Open 3. And Annika Shaw says, I'll take it if you're going to give it to me. If you're going to give me an open shot, I'll make use of it. That's 21. Caitlin Ring into the court for Otako, shifting it around. Not too much penetration into the court there. And just as I say that, young number 9, Kiana Brown, says, excuse me, that's exactly what I was just about to do. So thanks for introducing it for me. And they're into the action again. Larry down there at the top of the key, looking for an opportunity, and she gets a little bit bedazzled there. Izzy Kerr. Jones with the ball. That's her favourite spot there at the 45 degree from the hoop. Lovely spin move there by Larry. Oh my gosh. Jeez, I'm going to start calling her the laundromat the way she spun that time. A little bit of a step, and luckily she checked herself and chucks that one up. Kari I Tutsuki tona wawata. Her aspiration was not quite met there, which was to get the ball to the bucket. And oh my gosh, what a wonderful pass and find there. Number 13, McDonald, not quite able to complete the task on that occasion. Katukunatu ki te nama iwa. Engari, kare I taka te poro. 2-on-1. Oh my gosh. I was a little worried for our friend there, Izzy Kerr. She went straight up to Jones, got a little bump, and luckily she was like a young ballerina, got her feet back underneath herself and came up right. I've seen many a time a man without the suppleness of that young lady falling to the ground in a great heap of legs and limbs and arms. Not a nice sight to see. But on this occasion, number 21, Ava Jones, says, can we fix it? Yes, we can, she says. Fix it with a couple of easy kurutautuku, mai tērā pai. And once again, replicating that action. As we await some new players onto the court. Ka tatari ana mātou I ngā kai tākaro hou ki runga I te papa tākaro. Ko wai era, ko Shanti Kara tērā, ko Eve Tunasia, tēnā marima o Otako. (68 to 27), the score at the moment with 5 minutes to go in this third quarter. And not too sure what's happening, but times like this we must say thank you to our good friends who have helped us bring you this coverage. One of them being Foot Locker, the major sponsors of this tournament, and the other one being Whakata Māori, supporting all of these different sporting kaupapa of our young and up-and-comers. Because without these grassroots competitions, we wouldn't have teams at the upper levels. So thank you to these kind sponsors for making it happen. And as they have a bit more of a kōrero, I can imagine the girls are starting to think if there was ever one team or the other had a little bit of momentum going their way, these little hold-ups can absolutely just halt that entirely. So there's some interesting kōrero going on there. Bit of laughing, which is good to hear. And they move the ball quickly to get themselves into position. Freya Roberts. And the over-the-top pass, but she was a small tree in a tall forest there. Probably not ideal. And able to regather it. And she tries to work her way to the middle. She does just that, but the ball just doesn't want to drop. There she goes. Open shot there. Turn and shoot, young lady. Huri. And that was that momentum that we talked about before. Taking a while to get back into the swing of things, but Jones says, I'll take a shot. And that is Yasmin there with the finish. Jones taking the shot and Yasmin perfectly placing herself to capitalize on the rebound. Oh, beautiful find if she can get it away. No, too much tall timber around her. And as they shift the ball, ka neke te poro, ki te kokona, wa wai mari e rātau. Nā te mea, koira, e toru noiho o e rā kuru whiwhi toru. Kua whiwhi a rātau I te rānei, e maha ngā wahine, e āraitia I a Yasmin I tērā wā. I think we had 4 players surrounding her at that stage. Still managed to get her hands on it, but too much pressure on her for the shot, so she will step to the line. Step two. And another high arc. Becoming quite useful, in fact, in that occasion. It's dropping down rather than bouncing out. We'll look at that again. Same technique, no doubt. There it is. This time, Straden subs into the game. $45 points the difference. Putting on a clinic here at the moment. The young ladies, ngā wahine. Kei raro I te kaumātuatanga o te rua te kau. I whakaako I tēnei tīma o tākau, and she got a bit excited. The 3-on-1 opportunity, and still coming away with the 2 points. Porirua I rātou, ngā piro e rua. I want to see this young lady push it into there. Just work it back. Work it back. Oh, 3 ladies from Otago there for the rebound, and the one Canterbury lady comes up with it. She just read the play perfectly and got herself in the right position. And the push coming in from the Otago player. Te pana, there you go, there's your kupu. Pana is to push, kume is to pull. I don't know if you've heard often when they're welcoming people into MΑORI that kumea mai te waka. There we go, Canterbury with ball in hand. And the shot going up. Kia o tākau te pōro I nei. Long pass down to the new number 6 into the game. Emily Coney, that is. Oh, beautiful give and go there. Unfortunately, unable to capitalise on that mistake from Otako. No reira, kei a Otako te poro I nane. And that takes us to 5 fouls, I do believe, if we look at our clock up there. 4, yes, it must be 5 now, because they've gone straight to that line. Kua riro ngā hara e whā. Nō reira ka tai. No. Was it only 4 fouls? Yes, only 4 fouls. There's a bit of joviality going on the sideline. Rawe te rongo I ngā kata. O nā runga I te mōhio, kāre I tino tata tēnei kēmu. E nui te wehenga kei wainga nui I nei tima. There's a big gap between these two teams, and so it gives a chance for a little lightheartedness from both sides, hearing their coaches both having a laugh. She's going to look to feed the Cody in the middle. And a beautiful shot there by the young lady. I think it was Harper McDonald, in fact, number 13. There she is on defense now. Oh, it might have been number 11, actually. No, I'm going to stick with 13. Fadeaway jumper from the number 9, Kiana Brown, going downtown. And as they spread the ball around the outer rim, a little bit of defensive quick hands there by the number 6, Emily Coney. Inbound now from Waitaha. There's that 13 that hit the 3 before. Now she goes to Jones. And Jones says, oh, I can do that too. I'll give it a crack. And that takes us to the end of the 3rd quarter. Stay tuned there, Tefano. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of action to keep you entertained after this break. No mai hoki mai anō. Canterbury. Oh, lovely passing around. 3 women there in the box to try and quell that attack. And they could only stop her by putting a hand on the ball, unfortunately, or unfortunately touching an arm. And the second one drops. 86 plays 38. Oh, wonderful find there. And just not able to finish that. Oh, some wonderful boxing out there. Oh, the ball's just not dropping for Otako. But it did that time. And they've absolutely run themselves out. Have this team from Otako. Much smaller setup, and a 3-ball from the big lady, and she nails it. Get out of town. Lovely work there by Ainley. And number 10, she's going to have a look. She'll have a go. No, she says, I'm not going to go through the Cody. I'm going to go and try and give it to my teammate who's going to have a go at it. She's going to have a look at the 3. No, with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 seconds. She's going to have to put a shot up now. And is it good? No, it's not. Ainley with the rebound. She looks ahead first, as you should always do, young players. Look ahead first, see who's there. And to the number 8 gets the shot up. Chamberlain, that is. Te nama waru. Ka tukuna te poro a te nama rua. Mai o tākau. Ko Kerr tērā, Maddie Kerr. And ka huri haere te poro anō. Lovely tuck of the ball. She tucks it in. No one's going to take it off her. Kiana Brown says, I'm going to town. Little spin move there by Ainley. Not able to complete. She could almost just turn and then just face up like a goal shooter in netball and then pop those ones off, because I reckon once she got it full extension over the head, it should be pretty hard to get up there. And if she added a jumper to her repertoire, I reckon in Auckland, New Zealand comp, it'll be nearly unstoppable. Oh, wonderful pass. And a fight for the ball. No, not able to pull it in there. This time by the Otako Wahine. Powell now. Ka whakariti a tētahi nekehanga. O ka patua. Nā. Paitiki te i tērā ka mihi a te nama iwa a Kiana Brown. Ki tōna hoariri. Even though she is her adversary, she still goes over and with good sportsmanship checks on her. That's what we like to see. We haven't turned into the Aussies just yet. But they are very, very competitive. And this is Jones there with the shot. Pushing it forward. Oh, and she gets the ball back for her Canterbury side because it came off the shoulder of young Maddie Kerr. She puts it up and she just had that big hand above her. And unfortunately unable to give herself the appropriate space that was necessary to get the clean shot through. And Larry with the pass. And into the game comes Ophelia Powell. 89 plays 42, 7 minutes in the last quarter. Whetu miniti I roto I te hauwha whakamutunga. Mutunga is the end, whakamutunga is the ending. Hauwha being the 4th quarter. Oh, a little bit of trouble there. Swings. 45-degree takes the shot. No luck on this occasion. And a little roll. Finds an open woman. Larry out to Powell. Ka tūpana pana a Powell I te poro. Oh, lovely little screen there. And she rolls back. Should be open there for the basket. She had a straight line to the basket that time, did Larry. But it wasn't seen. Takes the rebound. Jones straight back up. That is Ava. Brown off to Kerr, and Kerr having a look at it, but not quite finding the range I te rawa on that at that time. Ko ei tira, ko tena mawha. Shaw kia Tolly. Tolly kia Powell. Powell making her way in, but the defender doing enough to put pressure on that shot. Brown again, finds her way, does a little fakie, gets the defense moving. Oh, wonderful rebound there. She'll be disappointed in herself not getting that one. Oh, lovely follow-up by Brown, I think it was. Got blocked in the first instance, but said, no, I'm not giving up. We don't give up there. And she went back for it and got a second look at it and finished successfully. Larry with the ball now. And beautiful roll to the basket. Unable to pick it up though. And she'll have a couple on her. Oh, wonderful finish off the left hand there. Mai te namarua Mary Kerr. He wahine paku engari he terera watu. And she decides that she's just going to give a foul because she's a bit tired. She looks to the sideline saying, can I get a sub or can I get a timeout? There we go. And in roll the fresh legs. Ko tai mai ngā wahine. I pai o rātou hā. Kāre I pau te hau. And an open shot. Was it Jones there? And I think it was, because Jones has been doing that all day. I think that's probably her fourth, fifth maybe, three-pointer. And that takes it to 94. They're going to crack the hundug. Totahiro. Oh, Brown goes in amongst the trees and gets a little slap on the way through. And even though it was a difficult path and one that is not often travelled, she decided to take it. Ai, ka whakai ana ia. Ai, kāre he wāhi anō, kāre he ara anō māku. Nō reira, ka heire tōtika ki te pākete. Me te pai o tōna kuru. Mai te pai, kuru tautuku. Korite, Waitaha. She looks for the pass. Handoff now. Tuku atu. And the roll 13 for the shot. Not able to find it this time. And as she drives to the basket, no easy option there, but almost getting the rebound. Oh, one almost pulling it in that time. Chamberlain from Canterbury. And a little pass on the inside. A little bounce pass. Finding Powell on the run. Powell finding her teammate Tolly. And Tolly putting a shot up. But it looks like it was fouled, but not on the shot. So they'll set up a bit of a box move. Finds the open player there. 13 in 2 minds looking for support. I wouldn't be surprised she goes baseline. There she goes. Oh, but good defense there, but she throws the ball away this time. Oh, good effort there by the number 6, Coney. Handoff and screen to go with it. Tolly. Powell again, she's going to want to go to this left. And Tolly with the shot, a little bit too long, but the rebound comes down. Clock will be reset to 14 seconds. And that's a foul from the team in the blue. O Tākau. Ana koiranga tai. We've got red, that's Fiddle. Fiddle is red. Kakariki green. And then you've got the different shades of blue. I've always learnt as a young fella. Darker blue, we've got Kikorangi, and then the lighter blue was Kahurangi. If I'm wrong in your region, kei te pai tēnā and the Tai Tokerau, that's how we roll. Me te whero. So, Kikorangi me te whero. That's almost navy blue though. Don't know about navy blue. Oh, is she going to be able to finish from this? Look at, oh, it's too much pressure. They all got back, they hustled back. They haven't given up all day though. Even though the score is nearly double what they've got, they haven't given up, and it's beautiful to see. It's beautiful to see from a team that is this far down at the moment. They are. The tenacity is still intact. And as I say to all the teams that I coach, I say if they're taller than you, you've got to be faster and you've got to be more accurate. And unfortunately, Canterbury, even though they've got the height, Tākau has not been as accurate. And they're certainly quick, but their shots have not been as accurate as is probably needed in a game like this. But full kudos to them, giving it their all. And once again, massive shout out to our supporters and sponsors, that is Foot Locker, major sponsor of this tournament, and Whakata MāORI, major sponsor of these competitions. So mihi ana kia rātou. Big events these in the calendar each year for our young basketball talent. And unfortunately, often there's not besides this competition, there's not a lot of other competitions for our youth and our younger players to play against each other. As far as I'm aware, there's none. There's no other second division competitions, as far as I'm aware. I may be wrong. I know there's a startup in Auckland called the Pacifica competition. But other than that, I am not too sure of any other ones. So I feel like a lot of our young players end up going to Australia where they have got alternative levels, and it's a great three-point shot there. And this is a pathway that many of our young ones go through, because if you don't make it into the top grade, so to speak, in the NBL, there's only really social leagues to play in. In Aotearoa. Whereas your likes of places like Melbourne, etc., have multiple levels, and they've got quite big basketball clubs too. Oh, rawe te āraitia I tērā kuru. And they love a good block. Looking to inbound the ball, Maite Pai. And that goes with 35 seconds to go. There wouldn't be too much action in this last bit, but it's been great to bring you this coverage today. Thank you very much for joining us here on Whakaata Māori. Ko Ethan Smith, tōku ingoa. As I said, a lover of many, many sports. Anything I can get my hands into, I'll have a play of it. And basketball, and that is the one way to finish the game. A 3-pointer from the young lady there from Waitaha or Canterbury. And for the finish, not able to finish in 5 seconds on the countdown. She'll go for a long shot, will she? No, she's just going to run down the clock. So congratulations to Canterbury. Mihi ana kia rātou, me o rātou kai ako. Ako nei, ka timata te kēmu whakamutunga o tēnei pō. He, ko tēnei te kēmu whakamutunga o te pō nei. Nō reira, mihi ana kia koutou I hono mai. Mātaki mai anō a pōpō. E haere tonu ana tēnei whakataitai. Pō Māori e te whānau.
We need to give up. I need to give up. We didn't give up. This is an opportunity that we can't pass on. Hey, Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap, kamo, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, I don't know.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia au te MＡORI, kia au.
Tō mātou puku hohe.
So a lot of eggplant emojis there, my
Tō mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Tai aotia.
Ko tahi atu. Leiharo. Hei! Tahi, rua, toru.
Koina ke te tāhi. E whakapono ana hau, maangi hei tohu te ao.
Leiharo.
Kārawe! Ki te mahi taki mātai, ka tēnā. Te tika, whakaatu mai tō tāna.
Mahi tikana.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whia ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurou ki MāORI Plus.